Good morning, children. I am Vetri Chelvi from Vetri and Vetri Need Chemistry. Today I am going to give the video lesson of solid state. Now let us see the question NEET 2019 first question. A compound is formed by the cation C and anion A. The anion form hexagonal close packed HCP lattice and the cations occupy the 75% of the octahedral voids. The formula of the compound is, options are there. So before answering it, just I had one glance of option. So cation, it is represented as a cation and anion. Parallel, I am taking the data also. What is given is cation anion. The anion form hexagonal. For the anion, they are giving the HCP packing. And what about the cation is, for the cation it is given 75% of the octahedral voids. This is the information and formula is the question. Now let us see the first knowledge is your anion which follows the HCP packing. So that means its coordination number is 6. Okay, so now regarding anion coordination number 6 means the crystal having the number, that is number of atom per unit cell is equal to 6. Okay, so now what about the octahedral void is number of octahedral void. I am writing number of octahedral void is equal to number of atom per unit cell. Number of atom per unit cell. These are the formula that is equal to here regarding 6. So what about your cation is occupying 75% of the octahedral void. So now regarding how many number of octahedral void is your 6. So now 75% mean 70 by 500, that is 75% of your 6 number is occupied by cation. Getting cancelled, 3 by 4 and here 2 and this is your, here number is, you are getting 9 by 2. This is for the cation. Now let me write the formula. First write cation, anion. Anion is given number of the HCP packing, so it should be the number 6. Cation is 75% of octahedral void. Octahedral void is equal to Z, that is equal to 6. Out of 6, 75% is 9 by 2. So this is as a whole number, the everything multiplied by 2. So this is into 2, this is into 2. Getting cancelled. So C9, that is A, it is your 12. On cancelling, what you are getting is C3A4. That is the, let us go and see the answer. C3A4. Your C option is correct. Okay, this is 2019 question, children. Very simple question. Here knowledge is the point number 1. The coordination number of HCP is 6. This is point number 1. Second knowledge is number of octahedral void is equal to the number of atom, that is equal to 6. The afterwards remaining are simple only. Let me go to the 2019 question is very easy regarding a solid state. Now let us see the question of 2018. Little bit tough. We will go and see. Iron exhibits BCC structure at room temperature. Above 900 degrees centigrade, it's transformed to the FCC structure. The ratio of density of the iron at room temperature to that at 900 degrees centigrade condition is atomic molar mass and the atomic radii of the iron remains constant. So what they are asking is the ratio of the density. So now let me take what are the thing is given is, first thing is the thing they are giving. First one is the iron with BCC. Second they are telling it is follows the FCC with the different temperature only. Okay, room temperature BCC, higher temperature FCC. That's all they want, the density ratio. Now let me write the first formula for density. Density is equal to usually mass by volume. Regarding solid state, your Z into molar mass divided by Avogadro number. This is collectively called as the mass. And the what is the volume is your A cube. This is the formula for density solid state. Same thing for the BCC as well as FCC. Now let me write density of the BCC to the density of the FCC. What are the common things will be getting cancelled is your what is molar mass and the Avogadro number is common for both is getting cancelled. Remaining two things are going to change. So now I am writing Z for the BCC divided by Z for the FCC. Next one, here the denominator is density is available. So in the case of BCC, denominator is what is it called? The A cube is available, should be written here. Okay. So now you are writing the, yes, here denominator. So available here only, ma'am. So volume of your, here what is it? You have to write as a BCC. Here it is the volume of FCC. Okay, both are available as a denominator. Okay, that is correct. Now we are moving to the next condition is find out the radius. Let me write here. First let me write BCC and FCC. In the BCC, 4R is equal to root 3a. So a is equal to 4r by root 3. In the FCC, 4r is equal to root 2a. So a is equal to 4r by root 2. So these things should be command substitute here to get it. Now let me here write. Number of your BCC atomic number body center is, it is 2. And for FCC it is 4. Now write here the, what is the volume of FCC? You can see here volume of FCC is 4r by root 2. Let me write here 4r by root 2. 4r by root 2 the whole cube. And here BCC. Here BCC is written here 4r by root 3 whole cube. Now let me go and again rewrite. It is getting cancelled here. 4r, for clarity I am rewriting root 2, this is divided by, here 2 is here, 4r by root 3 the whole cube. Now what is it? 4r cube and 4r cube getting cancelled. Here the root 3 is in the denominator, will come as a numerator root 3, and here the root 2 will be written here, and overall cubing, and 2 is here. Okay, let me write next here. It is root 3 into root 3 into root 3 divided by root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into 2. These things are 3 into root 3. Here it is 2. 2 2s are 4 root 2. So this is the answer. Now let us go and see. Here option is C. Okay, again I am repeating very simple formula, density formula, getting cancelled whatever, remove it. Then comparing BCC with the FCC. If you are framing this one, the formula, the denominator it is coming. So BCC I am writing denominator, FCC denominator is occupying here. So this is derived formula. Then for the value of A, the formula is here. Substitute here and simplification, you are getting the answer. Thank you, children.